I'm Jarrott Moore. I'm a colorectal surgeon from Prisma Health. I was born in Florence, South Carolina, grew up in Florence. Went to college at Clemson, then went to medical school in Charleston at the Medical University of South Carolina, then did my general surgery training in Baltimore, and then did my colorectal training in New Jersey, and then practiced in Baltimore, and then came back here about 12 years ago. We specialize in surgical treatment of diseases that affect the colon and the rectum, and also some small bowel diseases like inflammatory bowel disease, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, things of that nature. A lot of what we deal with is quite complicated, and sometimes it's actually quite difficult to truly get patients to understand exactly what their disease process is and how it's managed, but it takes a lot of repetition, and some of the treatments are quite complicated, and so just repeating the same things over and over every time we meet them, eventually people tend to get a good sense of what they have. Also, we try to involve families as much as possible as well, and importantly, we don't try to force any treatment early on. We allow people to sort of naturally come to their decision about treatments that we have and what treatments they would like for us to do. But again, we try to involve families when appropriate, and again, a lot of repetition. For fun, I guess first and foremost, I have a wonderful family. I have my wife, who's also a colorectal surgeon in our practice, and I have a daughter who's almost 10 years old, who is the light of our lives. Outside of that, I am very interested in music. I play music, a number of different instruments, and I run for exercise. If you'd like to make an appointment to see me or my partners in our office, ask your primary care doctor to make a referral.